Welcome to the Mississippi Express Pass System User Tutorial videos. This video will guide you through the steps for updating company data in Mississippi Express Pass at permits.mdot.ms.gov. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the Express Pass User Tutorial Videos link. The new Express Pass will be used by motor carriers and permit services to order oversized, overweight permits and set up company information. Enter the username and password established while creating your account. Check the box for Remember Me on this computer to have the computer remember the login information. Click the Submit button to log into your account. Read and review both disclaimer messages and check the boxes to acknowledge the disclaimers, and then click the I understand and agree button. The company dashboard will be displayed. Click the Company Data link under the Admin links on the company dashboard. The Express Pass Company Management Portal screen will be displayed. Verify the company information displayed is correct, including the company name, phone number, and email address. Verify the email address is the primary email address for the company account. Check the box if you would like to receive electronic billing statements and communications. Select the delivery method for how you would like your company to receive permits. Web download will allow users to print the permit directly from the web. Selecting the email or fax option will allow users to have issued permits emailed or faxed directly to them. This option can be changed during the permit application process. Be sure to click the Update button to save all updated information. Any person that might need to be contacted by MDOT at any step of the permitting process should be added into the system as a contact. Please note that each contact must be set up as a user to log into Express Pass and order permits. Add contacts to your company account by clicking the New button to create a new contact. The contact information screen will be displayed. Enter the information for the contact being added. Select the contact type from the drop-down list. A business contact would be someone to contact for finance questions or company information, and a permitting contact would be someone who is familiar with the permits ordered through Express Pass. Click the Insert button to add the contact entered. Continue adding contacts by clicking the New button until all contacts have been entered. Contacts can be edited by selecting the name from the Contacts drop-down list and clicking the Edit button. Edit the information needed and click the Update button to update the information entered. To delete a contact, select the name from the Contacts drop-down list and click the Edit button. Click the Delete button on the contact information screen to delete the contact from the system. The mailing and physical address information for the company is stored in the Addresses section of the company information under the Company Assets section. Addresses cannot be added or deleted but can be edited. Click the Edit button for either the physical or mailing address to edit the stored information. Once the information has been edited, click the Update button to save the new address. Terminals can be used if a company has multiple yards or terminal locations. Click the New button to create a new terminal location. Enter the required information and select the delivery method from the drop-down list. Click the Insert button to add the terminal to the company account. Continue adding terminals by clicking the New button until all terminals have been entered. Terminals can be edited by selecting the terminal from the Terminal drop-down list and clicking the Edit button. Edit the information needed and click the Update button to update the information entered. To delete a terminal, select the name from the Terminals drop-down list and click the Edit button. Click the Delete button on the terminal information screen to delete the terminal from the system. The User section is where all users entered can order permits and their information is stored. Enter a new user by clicking the New button to the right of the Users section. Enter in all required information, including an email address, prompt question, and response in order to retrieve a username or reset a forgotten password. This saves time, allowing users to bypass calling the permit office. Once the information is entered, click the Insert button to add the new user. The original user who created the account will already be listed in the Users drop-down list. Select the user and click the Edit button to edit the user and add an email address, phone number, prompt question, and response. When editing an existing user or adding a new user, select the user type from the drop-down list. The two levels are Supervisor or User. The Supervisor level can edit company information and other users. A user level can only issue permits and update their specific contact information. The user who created the account will be defaulted to a supervisor user. All company accounts must have at least one supervisor user. The supervisor user will create the company user's login and assign a temporary password. The company user will have the ability to change their password and set up their prompt question. Unless the user will have a very specific known start and end date, leave these fields blank. Otherwise, set the start and end date if the account will expire at some point. Click the Update button to save the information. Continue adding and editing users by clicking the New or Edit button until all users have been entered or updated. A company can choose to keep a listing of its vehicle inventory. These vehicles can be used to populate information on the permit application. Vehicles can also be assigned to a terminal to aid in reporting by terminal or location. Terminals must be entered into the terminal company data before assigning to a vehicle. Please note that vehicle inventory can also be uploaded to ExpressPass via spreadsheet. There is a separate tutorial video for uploading vehicle inventory located on the login page. To add a new vehicle from the company data screen, click the New button. The vehicle information screen will be displayed. Enter the required information and click the Insert button to add the new vehicle. Continue adding vehicles by clicking the New button until all vehicles have been entered. Vehicles can be edited by selecting the vehicle from the Vehicles drop-down list and clicking the Edit button. Once the information has been updated, click the Update button to update the vehicle. Please note that it is recommended that company data be reviewed and updated regularly, including adding users. This concludes the ExpressPass user tutorial video on how to update your company data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget more videos are available for your convenience.